cute.
Ano nito ba?
Yang
May slime?
O gani slime. Ay sa.
Champi mo na ko.
Sino?
Siya naman.
Ay sak.
Si ano?
Ha? Nagupin.
Bubo. Bubo.
Ha? Pwede man yung sa corn shop gali. Ba ko gani dapat.
May ego?
Oh. Alam may egg? Isa egg.
Na, may surprise sa kitchen.
May isa tayo na surprise. This.
You open the shop.
Let's open it. Space.
You open the egg.
It's
Okay.
green. Ano to? Uy. Wings?
Wow!
Butterfly. Ay sak. Ay sak.
Isaac!
Okay. The wings. And this.
So cute. Ano yung shop i-open?
Cute.
Open ko?
Yes.
Doon ko surprise ba? Wala apat.
I-full shop ito pa ako.
How?
Ano siya ba? Yung isang slime? 500 pesos. Oh, wings. Sticker.
Na yun.
Sticker.
This.
Hala.
Parang saksakon mo
Rebel.
wings.
Sticker. Sticker. Ano niyang isa? Sticker man? Sticker.
May earphones.
What's this? Sino nag-get ko? Sino ngalan niya?
Chomp chomp.
Si Chomp Chomp? Ay, nakuha ko ang dukat. Adi na sa man. Ang cat dapat.
Ayaw?
Oh, yeah. So,
Can I see? Para i-open the shop. Ay, para pwede mo saksakon.
alam mo.
I-open. Ulok shubi. You can put, ano, hala. You can hero. Wait na. Kita nga, kita.
Where's ano?
Wala na siya sa phone.
I like this one. Soft.
Ganun yung instructions. How the hell do you open?
Slime first, this side. Yes. Didre, hindi ito na ya. Water slime. Didre, hindi pag kalainan. Didre. Oo. Dami ba? Wow.
Ako, butter siya ito.
I-send ko pa ni sa akong nga, detag, Ira. Sa akong nga,
Friend mo?
hindi, ako nga cousin. Ito lang nga, ang duwa to pala nga bayaw.
Si Willow?
O, kag si Sky.
Isaac?
Son, it's booger joke.
Ew!
Wow.
Boogers!
The booger.
Boogers!
Blah, 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 booger. Oh, no. Butterfly na.
Butterfly?
Ice! Sag!
Excuse me.
Mami, oh?
Ano na?
Look!
Excuse me, Anay.
Mami, ba ako doon?
What did I get?
Okay. Excuse me, Anay.
Hi guys, I get this song.
Masih malambog ka mo.
Mami, pala ang word nito.
Din bubble. Hindi tanay pala. Hindi na bubble. Hindi tanay gani. Tik ako gid.
Siga-siga.
Baka hindi.
Hindi ka man. Hindi
Dre, karon ng bidre.
Wait lang ko na, Dre.
This is the map.
Zach.
I get this.
Hindi, away yan.
My favorite to get is
Hindi ko yung magpag-air.
Spite. The Spite. Oh, the name of it's Chomp Chomp. This is the Chomp Chomp. Okay, wait.
Bubble sa nakita nilog ang floor ha.
Are you? Wait lang.
Bubble.
Most of them the wings. Oh. Okay. So you can put it in your bag.
Ganito ba yun ha?
Yes. Ooh. This one is cool too. This is my best day ever. Ooh. This is Chop Chop. Chom Chom. And it's still, I think it's a girl or a boy. I think it's a girl. I peeled the sticker. Look, this is called. Wait, there's a sticker in it. It's so cute. There's a baby. There's a baby. Oh my god. This is the. There was a baby in there. What's this? Oh, it's nothing. There's no nothing. It's nothing. Wait. Inside of it? Oh, there's no inside. There's stickers! Stickers! Oh my gosh, a cat. Look, oh my god. Look. Stickers. Excellent. My favorite part of the toys is the slime and the baby and the 2 stickers and this one. I love this one. This is my favorite part. I love this, bro. It's booger. Wait, this is slimy. Ew! It's slimy booger. Joke lang.